It's no secret that Rostec, the parent company of Russian plane maker Sukhoi, intends to offer Sukhoi's new Checkmate fighter to the export market. Rostec's teaser video for the single-engine jet, which appeared online in mid-July, features actors portraying pilots from Vietnam, India, Argentina, and the United Arab Emirates. But Checkmate itself, which Rostec officially unveiled at the MAX Air Show on Tuesday, has all the hallmarks of a high-flying interceptor whose main role is to hunt American F-22 and F-35 stealth fighters. It's obvious why Russia would want a fighter like Checkmate that can shoot down the United States' own top fighters. It's less clear that Vietnam, India, Argentina, and the United Arab Emirates want the same thing. Here is the rub. Without financing from foreign countries, there is probably no way Checkmate gets built. But the fighter's design might not appeal to the very buyers Moscow needs to make the project viable. And that would leave in the cold the one customer, the Russian Air Force, that might actually have a requirement for a fighter like Checkmate. For that reason, Tom Cooper, an aviation expert and author, described Checkmate as a pig in a poke. The actual question is, he said, who is going to buy that pig in a poke? Russia barely can afford to finance the Su-57 project, which could end up costing tens of billions of dollars. This Checkmate is facing exactly the same obstacles as the Su-57, Cooper said. The Russian government has no money to complete its development and get it into series production. But it's not clear Sukhoi and Rostec are trying very hard to appeal to the same foreign governments they need to help pay for Checkmate. The Vietnamese, Indian, Argentinian, and Emirati air forces are not obsessed with shooting down F-35 the same way the Russian Air Force is. At least two of these foreign air arms actually aspire to acquire F-35 of their own. They are imposing their solutions upon the customer, Cooper said of the Russians. Take it or leave it. Rostec and Sukhoi might also struggle. They have put together an impressive new stealth fighter, well, its airframe, at least. The engines and avionics are the hard parts. But who's going to fork over billions of dollars to finish developing the plane? Thank you everyone for watching this video.